what's up, and welcome back to my channel. To the keen observer, yes, there is something new in my background. We are actually doing a review of Flexispot's standing desk right back here. And I actually did a review of one of their other products a few months ago on this channel, but I loved the standing desk so much that I decided to make a part 2. So what you guys see behind me right now is Flexispot's Pro Plus Standing Desk E7. It is slightly different from the Kana Pro standing desk I reviewed a little bit earlier, but I love it just as much. So in this review video, I'm going to do a quick little setup montage and then dive deep into all of the wonderful qualities of this standing desk. Alright, so setup. This desk is quite large, it is electronic, and it's got a lot of moving parts, so you might not think you can set it up yourself, but trust me, you can do it. They have a super handy dandy instruction manual, and as long as you have someone to help you do some of the heavy lifting, you can get this thing set up yourself in less than an hour. And here's what the process looks like. And here it is, fully complete. All right, so this is actually the red oak. It's 48 inch by 24 inch. Sounds a little weird, but when I opened the package, it smelled so nice, so woody and fresh. You can also choose a lot of custom settings on this. The tabletop obviously comes with a lot of choices, as well as the legs. Here I have clean white legs. And all you gotta do is plug it into an outlet in the wall, and it is all set up and ready to go. Alright, so here I've got my little setup. We have my desk lamp here, some pens, pencils, laptop, notebook, and what I especially love about this desk also is that you can have a phone charger coming out right at the end. As you guys can see, there's still a lot of empty space on this desk, so you can definitely have a PC or monitor setup as well. Adjusting the desk is really easy. You have this keypad right here. You can either just click up and down to move it, or you have some preset settings. So if I click 2, it'll go up to my standing height. And here's the height of the desk next to me for reference. This desk is very flexible though. It can go much, much higher if you're a lot taller than me. Too tall now. The standing desk is really useful in my daily life in a ton of different ways. The first being if I'm just working from home, doing some editing or anything like that, I can stand up, stay a little active while doing some mundane tasks. And the second is when I'm choreographing. This one's a big one. I don't need to keep bending down and bending up and bending down and bending up whenever I'm trying to choreograph dance moves and also type them down in between each move. The third use is actually when I'm doing other home workouts. I like to do other people's HIIT workouts at home, and I could actually have the laptop right in front of me then when I'm doing the workout and standing up. And the last reason, this one's actually a little bit funky, but sometimes I'll actually move the standing desk into my living room, and when I'm hosting big events, I'll actually use it as sort of a cocktail bar. So people can stand around it, have their drinks, eat their snacks, whatever it may be, and it's super, super useful.
Here I also just want to quickly show you guys, here's a comparison of standing desks, Flexispot versus competitors. And as you guys can see, Flexispot's E7 desk pretty much wins out in all of the categories.
So guys, if you're someone who's wanted to buy a standing desk for a long time but never jumped the gun, I just gave you a million reasons to do so right now. This is my 100% honest, genuine review. I really cannot speak highly enough of the Flexispot desk. And one more reason to get it right now, Flexispot is actually having their brand day, which means that you can get up to $200 off of this desk. It is a deal that has never been seen before. And if you don't get it now, well, you might just have to wait until Black Friday to get something like this again. So go check out Flexispot, linked in the description down below. Brand day, get the desk right now. Alright y'all, that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys found this helpful, but if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. Tell me what other products to look at next, and if you want to see my old product reviews, you can find them right here. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.